Hello everyone. Welcome to Sklearning C#.NET interview series. In this video, we'll explore know about ASP.NET Web API content negotiation. Did you know that web APIs can return data in multiple formats like JSON and XML? This is called content negotiation. When a client makes a request, it includes an accept header specifying the preferred format. For example, accept application/JSON returns JSON accept. Application/XML returns XML. The web API checks this header and selects the appropriate media type formatter to format the response accordingly. If no accept header is provided, JSON is returned by default. Also, you can set a quality factor queue to prioritize formats like application/XML Q equals 0.8, application/JSON Q equals 0.5. XML gets priority. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to Sklearning for more informative content.